Aссаламу Alaikum, Brother Рамзан. I hope and pray you and your family are doing safe and well during this massive pandemic. Brother Muhammad had mentioned and shared with us your beautiful speech that you made about my father, honoring him on his birthday this past January 17th. I thought it was most beautiful, sincere, and kind of you to take the time during this worldwide pandemic to share such a wonderful, inspirational story about my father, honoring him on his birthday. I think you would have really loved my father. You would have loved his humor, his humility, his spirit, his kind gestures towards others, and his sincere devotion to his religion. I hope and pray one day in the near future, inshallah, me and my family are graced with your presence and that we get a chance to meet you in Grozny one day soon. And maybe we can share stories about my father, his life, and his legacy. May Allah protect you and your family. Assalamu Alaikum, and your sister in Islam. Assalamu Alaikum.